About 19 miles out.
Okay, I copy, and air attack is at 8,500, altimeter 3007. You're cleared in at 9,500. Let me know when you're ready. We'll switch on over to the briefing channel.
Okay, copy. Yeah, I'm ready.
0 Foxtrot Delta 790, air attack on briefing.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, resources we have 8 Mike Delta doing recon missions, repeater missions, and cargo missions throughout the incident. Right?
Copy.
5 Romeo Hotel is working in the Sierra Echo break with ground contact Bell, water dropping operations. They're using Ivor Lake.
You said Ira Lake?
Ivor.
Copy.
920 is running troop shuttles out of H1. Copter 414 is on its last drop, is working Sierra Echo break with ground contact Bell. They're using the 4-mile dip.
Copy.
Helitanker 740 and 742 are both working in Division November, ground contact 62 Bravo, using Medco.
Copy.
Currently on scene we have Scooper 260 and 262. They're both dropping on the Division Sierra, the most easterly portion. They're working east to west. They're using they're using Lost Creek.
Lost Creek dip.
Okay, so that covers the resources and their missions. The airspace separation we have dividing east to west is going to be the PCT, right?
Copy.
All the helicopters working on November are going into, the heavies are going into Medco. They're staying north of Rustler Peak. The Super Scoopers using Sierra and going to Lost Creek are staying south of Rustler Peak, so that separates them there.
Now, which Rustler Peak, is that kind of in the middle of the fire?
No, that's between Medco and Lost Creek Dip. So if the aircraft go direct, the helicopters will stay north and the Super Scoopers will stay south of Rustler.
Copy.
Those aircraft working in Echo and the north end of November, we're going to be using a 4-mile or Ivor. They've been instructed to stay east of the PCT.
Air attack 8 Mike Delta on the Victor.
8 Mike Delta 5 Romeo Hotel, he's doing a transition right now.
Okay, go. Do you want to take that?
Mike Delta, air attack, calling.
Yes, sir. Off Prospect. Got quite a mission here. We're going to be going to Grassy Lake, dropping off the two on board. We'd like a recon at the fire. Quick recon if possible. If not, not a big deal, but we'll be dropping off 2 at Grassy Lake and then to Division Sierra to approve a medevac site, picking up 1 for a recon, and then we'll leave back to Prospect.
Copy, you're going to Grassy Lake to drop off 2, then you're going to Sierra for the medevac site and a recon. We're doing a transition right now, so hold it. Grassy Lake, contact the new air attack. We'll be transitioning here shortly.
Okay, good copy, and we are going up the Middle Forks drainage. We'll be in from the north.
Okay, copy, north route.
5
5 minutes out. No problem.
0 Foxtrot Delta back.
Bell 5 Romeo Hotel.
The frequency.
Okay, I got you.
Oh, 14.
Okay, so you have our separation. I think that's where we were last left off in the brief.
Yeah, that's affirmative. Still unclear kind of where Rustler Peak is, though, in relationship to H1.
Okay, it's not there. It's out to the west. It's near the dip sites that they're using, Medco Lake and Lost Lake, and it's only a reference point to divide the separation for the helicopters and the fixed wing.
Okay, do you have a lat long for that?
Yeah, Hotel Bell. We have a
You know, I don't have a lat long, but it's west about 12 miles.
Where you last dropped. And we could do a trail drop on this.
Okay, that's fine. I can get her.
Copy that.
Okay, and I just was in contact with 8 Mike Delta. They're going to be coming in to drop off 2 at Grass Lake, and then on to Division Sierra for approval of a medevac site and a recon.
Okay, copy that. Where's Grass Lake?
Grass Lake will be the north end of the fire, kind of the northeast. We were using it in the first stages of the incident as a water
Okay, I've
point.
got your panel there.
Okay, copy.
A bit of flame beside it where I'm standing. We could maybe, do a trail drop.
Other than that,
from
fire
south to
behavior's
north,
been
or
pretty
whichever is better for you with the
pretty
wind.
much the same as it has been.
String of flame here.
Super Scoopers are doing a good
Okay,
job
I got
working on that south flank, and the copters are doing a good job working
All
in
right.
November.
Okay, so similar missions to what we left off last night. Super Scoopers are just kind of freelancing, trying to keep things in check on the south break. And then the helicopters supporting what they were burning off last night and trying to hold around H1 and the northern portion on November break.
That is correct. And the Scoopers are kind of working the farthest east, and there have been instructions to work from east to west from the highest point down.
Okay, copy that. And the 2 helicopters working with Bell that you said on the Sierra Echo break.
Thank you.
Affirmative, and one of those is going to be going here for fuel shortly.
Yeah, this is our last one.
And where is the break, actually? Is it by Luther Peak? Somewhere in there?
Yeah, it's the bowl between Luther Peak and the PCT.
Okay, I got that.
90 is coming into
10 o'clock, a couple more hours.
And so we just have the 2 Scoopers, is that correct?
for you.
Currently on
Left
scene.
door.
Yes, sir.
Is 264 with us, though?
No, we haven't heard of their launch yet.
Okay, real good. I think that's all I need.
Okay, I see you there. Thanks.
Okay, I copy that. We're at 8,500 departing to the south for Medford. You've got the air attack.
Okay, yeah, we'll talk to the ground contacts if you'd let dispatch know. We'll be looking to relieve at 1430, and we'll take the ball.
See you at 1430. I'll notify dispatch.